Hey everyone, welcome to Instadance Colleges and Careers. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I know how busy your schedule is. I'm Brittany Noltemeyer, the owner of Instadance Coach, an online coaching program to guide students toward a professional dance career. That includes going to college for dance. When I was 18, I had no idea how to choose the right college, other than a quick Google search and traveling the globe to visit every school. That is why I created this podcast, to make your life better. You're welcome. I want it to be easier for you when it comes to choosing the right college. And let's face it, our parents are no help. My mom owned a dance studio for 30 years, gave me excellent dance training as my teacher, but she had no idea where to send me for college. If you're anything like me, you're on your own. Well, not anymore. I'll be with you the whole time. In this podcast, we're going to explore the different college opportunities and majors for dancers. Through interviews and lectures, I'll be offering information about schools, what to expect in the dance program, and different careers you can achieve with a dance major. First off, my name is Brittany, and I'd like to let you in on some of my background. I grew up in a small town in North Dakota. My dad owns a large wheat farm, and my mom owns a dance studio in town. I'm the youngest of 5, and all of us grew up dancing and performing, including my dad. 3 of the 5 Nolte kids continued on to get a degree in dance or musical theater, myself included. I attended the prestigious Oklahoma City University as a dance major, a private college in the heart of the Bible Belt that turns out incredible dancers and people who work. That's something that's very important when choosing a program. How many of these college students graduate and continue to work in the field? After I graduated early in December of 2013, I instantly moved to New York City to be a dancer. I eventually moved down to Orlando, Florida, which is where I happily live now. I'm an equity dancer at Disney World, dance captain at Universal Studios, and a choreographer and staging specialist at Legoland Florida Resort. I also travel the world teaching master classes with my company, Instadance Coach, and judging national dance competitions. In finding my ideal dance career, I wasted a lot of time, and I learned a lot of lessons. I'm still learning lessons and always seeking guidance, reading books, and listening to podcasts, hey, like this one. I'm not claiming to know it all, but not that long ago, I was in your shoes. I take a step forward only to take 3 more back and never knowing if I was really going in the right path. If that's kind of how you feel right now, you're not alone. This is why I started this podcast. I want you to have more knowledge and information about the dance programs nationwide before you spend hundreds or thousands of dollars wasting your time. Time is money, and I want your choices in life to be easier and more successful. Thanks for listening. Before we get into the fun, nitty-gritty part talking about all the individual schools, we need to discuss some basic college information. So listen to my next episode and learn about our basic college information. See you there. Catch you on the inside.